What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. Tonight we're going to look at the SATA. This was on Amazon. It's an impact driver. I bought it for under $50. But I didn't want to put it on my Instagram because I just was unsure. It was one of those things I was unsure about and didn't want to send people in the wrong direction. But sometimes people are on a budget, and for starting off apartment maintenance tech, this could be a useful tool. But I'm going to go over a few things here and show you why it's might not be. Comes with a case. I'm not a big fan of cases, but it comes with a case. There's some foamage up here. It does have a belt clip if that's your thing. I don't really put belt clips on. Getting into the charger, not too bad. You know, a lot of open airways and stuff, and it's got all the lights on there, and you can hang it. You can run the cord, I think, through here if you wanted to, like that. So I'm going to plug this in real quick, and I will show you the first thing that happened to me was, first off, these batteries, they don't have a battery light indicator. Now on the impact itself, and this impact actually does not feel too bad. Once again, kind of like the Cat, the selector switch just feels a little too short. Like when you go to grab it, it's, I don't know, like when, it's hard to explain it. When you push over, it's like you gotta give it a little extra oomph. Kind of makes the forearm tired, you know? Anyways, construction's not bad. Length and everything is not bad. I mean, you're talking a body of 5 inches from front to back. About 7 3/4. Let's flip the battery on this thing. It is a brushless motor, so about 9 inches. And then the battery is about 4 inches. So you got battery light indicator on the bottom there. And then up here you have a 3-speed. So it's a 3-speed impact. It's got a light, but no battery. Right out of the box, there's nothing on this battery. Battery's actually pretty nice though. It's got vent holes, which I guess is pretty common. And it's all rubber on the bottom. Stick it in this charger. Right off the bat, I put it in there. 2 flashing lights means battery's broken. And that's what I have. Other battery, pop it on there. It's going to say it's charged because I charged it up, but it blinks 3 lights, and then once it's fully charged, it'll stop and just stay solid. It shows you all that up here. Now, SATA, whatever, I've seen it on the YouTube or Amazon, never seen it on the YouTubes. Rubber overmolding's nice. It has like a handle, kind of like a Ryobi Rigid, a little thicker, but it does get thinner down there at the base, which that's, if you drop this, it's, you know, gonna be crazy. It does have this like crazy aluminum back here, which I've never seen before. Here's the specs on the side of it, just so you guys could see. Now here's the thing though, is I tried to contact SATA, whatever. website says the link's unavailable to contact them, and then you call the number. Said the business office hours are closed. It was on a Friday, late afternoon. I'm going to try to call this week and see if I can't get a hold of someone to get the battery replaced. Now, you guys know with the Duox impact that I dropped and it cracked, they sent me a brand new one. All I did was I sent them a picture of the broken impact. They sent me a whole brand new kit, charger, battery, impact, apologized, and then just they asked me to write a review. So on top of that, they also gave me a $30 Amazon gift card for just going on and writing a review. So I'm not, in the Duox Impact, I actually enjoy using it. It just had that one flaw down here, which kind of like this. But this, so far I have no customer service. But Duox now is $119 on Amazon, almost $120. I can't justify people paying that, although I was very satisfied with the customer service. I mean, very responsive. Within 3 hours, they had everything figured out, shipped out, and everything like that. And the impact showed up 2 days later, maybe 3. But this, dead on arrival. But we'll still try and go over it. I believe this was a quick load chuck, which was nice, something that the Cat didn't have. It's not a quick release, but that's no big deal. The fact that it's quick load is nice. Now, I'm not even sure what I'm going to do with this. It's up to $80 now on Amazon. I might return it, but also, that was speed 3, speed 2, speed 3. Unlike the Cat, it does just go right into, there's no wind up. That's the motor. So, I mean, it's whiny, but it doesn't have that wind up like the Cat did. So there's things I like about this over the Cat. And it has basically the same quality of the Cat, but I will keep you guys updated on the status. It was $46 for this whole kit. I thought that would be a steal for someone on a budget, but you know, part of my channel is going through it. I mean, there's some things I might throw out there just because, like the $100 electric chainsaw. I keep that in my work van. That thing's been awesome, rocking and rolling. The Lithelli 20-volt air inflator, although it would have been nice to come with a 4-amp-hour battery. It was $40-some, you know, $46 I think for that also. Charger, battery, and it has the auto shutoff. And I just think, you know, I'll throw those out there because I think they're pretty fail-proof type of products. This, on the other hand, so far no go. I'm going to wait to hear back to see if I can get this battery issue resolved. If I can't, I'm shipping it back. If I can, then we'll go to further testing and see how it does. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I'll catch you on the next one. Later. So at the end of the day with the SATA impact driver, they never got back to me. I believe it's an Apex Tools brand actually, and I know that they make like ratchets and mechanics type tools and stuff on Amazon, but I would say this is a no-go update. I returned it because I never heard back from them. I did get a hold of someone from service and nothing ever went any further. So yeah, don't buy this tool.